Hello everyone, this is Shyam Kumar Reddy. Now I am going to discussing about the topic radic sort. Before going to the actual topic, first we have to know what is sorting. Sorting is nothing but arranging data in ascending or descending order, or simply we can say it as arranges elements in a order which makes searching easier. There are different types of searching techniques. In that, now we want to discuss about radic sort. Radic sort is nothing but radic sort is a searching algorithm which is used to sort the list of integer numbers. The radic sort algorithm can be defined based on the digits of a individual numbers. This radic sort algorithm can be executed from least significant to most significant, that is 0 to 9. The step-by-step procedure of a radic sort algorithm can be explained with an example. Firstly, take elements like 20, 50, 61, 53, 92, 66, 235, 366, 367, 455, 600. The radic sort algorithm can be defined by using the counting sort. Counting sort is nothing but that can be executed the digit value place by place. So first we have to take one count array. Count array. All the count array index value must be 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here I am taking 10 indexes. So firstly we have to check the maximum value in the given example. By seeing here 600 is the maximum value. In the 600 there are 3 digit places, that is 1's place, 10's place, 100's place. So we have to apply the 3 sortings. First we have to apply sorting at 1's place. Here there is 0, so we have to keep this. All the sorting method can be executed from right to left. Why? Because to maintain the stability. Here seeing this, here 0, so we have to increase this 1. Here 5, we have to increase 5. We have here 7, we have to increase there. Here 5, we again increase. Here 6, here increase. Here 2, we have to increase here. Here 3, here 1, we have to increase. Here 0, again, here 0, again. So after doing this, we have to update the counting array. Updated counting array. The updated counting array can be done by adding the previous value to the next value or actual value. Here the first value will be remain same. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 0 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 0 10, 10 plus 0 10. So here after doing this, we have to write the first unit place sorting values. First place sorting values. Here by checking here 0, as seeing here there is 3 index value. This all the radic sorting can be done digit by digit value. So we have to increase this value. We have to decrease this. Here it become 2. At second place we have to write 600. Here 5. We have to decrease this, it becomes 7. At 7th place we have to write 455. Here 7. It become, by decreasing it become 9. We have to write 367 on 9th place. Here 5. Again decrease, it becomes 6. At 6th place we have to write 235. Here 6. By decrease it become 8. At 8th place we have to write 66. Here 2. We have to decrease, become 4. At 4th place we have to write 92. Here 3. It becomes 5. We have to write 53 at 5th place. Here 1. We have to decrease this, become 3. At 3rd place we have to write 61. Here 0. We have to decrease the, at 1st place we have to write 50. Here 0. Again decrease this. At 0th place we have to write 20. This is the first place of a sorting. Now we have, after completing the first place, we have to make sorting at second place. Again for these values. Again taking a one counting array with index value 0. By seeing the 10th place, here 6, we have to increase it. Here again 6, again increase. Here 5, we have to increase. Here 3, we have to increase. Here 5, we have to increase it again. Here 9, we have to increase this. Here 6, we have to increase it again. Here 0, we have to increase it. Here 5, we have to increase this. Here 2, we have to increase 2. After counting array, we have to update this counting array. Update counting array. The first value will remain same. 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 0, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 0, 9, 9 plus 0, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. After updating and counting array, we have to write second place sorting elements. By seeing here there is a 6. At 6th place there is index value is 9. We have to decrease this, become 8. At 8th place we have to write 367. Here 6, again decrease. At 7th place we have to write 66. Here 5, decrease, it become 5. At 5th place we have to write 455. Here 3, it decrease, it become 2. At 2nd place we have to write 235. Here 3, here 5, by decreasing it become 4. At 4th place we have to write 53. Here 9, but it become 9. At 9th place we have to write 92. Here 6, by decreasing this it become 6. At 6th place we have to write 6. At 5th place we have to write, skip change. At 0, by decreasing this, at 0th place we have to write 600. Here 5, by decreasing this, at 3rd place we have to write 50. Here 2, by decreasing this, it become 1. At 1's place we have to write 20. This is the second sorting elements. Second, that is 10th place sorting elements. Again take one counting array with all index values 0. Now we have to check this thousands place. hundreds place. By seeing here there is 0 at hundreds place, we have to increase this. Here 3, we have to increase this. Here 0, again increase this. Here 0, again increase this. Here 4, we have keep 1. Here 0, again increase this. Here 0, again increase this. Here 2, keep 1. Here 0, again increase this. Here 6, keep 1. Remaining will 0. So after this counting array, we have to update and counting array. Update counting array. The first value will remain same. 6 plus 0 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 0 10, 10 10. So we have to write the, after updating the counting array, we have to write hundreds place sorting value, sorting elements. This is 100 place sorting elements. By seeing here there is 0. Here 5, we have to decrease this. At 5th place, we have to mention 92. Here 3, by decreasing. At 7th place, we have to write 367. 0. At 4th place, we have to write 66. 0. At 3rd place, we have to write 61. Here 4. At 8th place, we have to write 455. Here 0. At 2nd place, we have to write 53. Here 0. At 1st place, we have to write 50. Here 2. At 6th place, we have to write 235. Here 0. At 0th place, we have to write 20. Here 6. At 9th place, we have to write 600. This is the final sorting value of a given element. So this can be theoretical explanation. Now I can explain it with an programming. Hash include IO string using namespace std. First, by checking the void radix sort, taking a of I as array, n as size, get maximum a of n. Already we have discussed. First we have to find the maximum value in the given elements. Likewise, the condition for finding maximum element is int get maximum int a int n. Here, if a of I is greater than maximum, that is the element which is greater than the maximum element, that will become the maximum element. Maximum equal to array of I. So return maximum, the maximum element that is 600 will found. For int position equal to 1, maximum divided by position greater than 0, position into 10. Why this condition we are using is, firstly we have take first place. After we have to taking the 10th place. By multiplying this, the position, the place value will change. Counting sort, a n position. Coming to the counting sort logic, in a array this, we have to take an array size n, we have to take position into count 10 equal to 0. We already discussed all the index value in the counting sort must be 0. So we have to take this counting a count of a of I divided by position modulus 10. Why this using is the value which is at the ones place or tens place or unit the hundreds place, the we have to take that value. We use the this condition. Counting I plus equal to counting I minus 1. Why? Because we have to increase the update the counting sort element. Likewise, we have to use this condition. Coming to int main, int array elements, size of integer numbers, count and l. Before sorting here we print the before sorting elements. After applying the radix sort condition, we have to print after sorting elements. The output will become enter size of array, enter 3, enter in any integer array 3, 5, 2. Before sorting, the elements like 3, 5, 2. After sorting, they become like 2, 3, 5. This is the programmatic or coding for the radix sort. Thank you for watching.